Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Harrah's Las Vegas. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. Let's start off with the entrance. This is the emergency exit plan. You got the peephole right there. Heavy duty lock. The doorstop right here. To my right, your bathroom. Lovely bathroom. Complimentary facial soap. Complimentary body lotion. And a decent sized mirror. Peace. Plenty of towels. Shower towels. Was this? Washcloth. Okay, washcloth. All right. Is this their own name brand? No, it's not. Nevertheless, a hotel with a washcloth. Okay. Toilet. Underneath. Oh, let me show you the sink first. Boom. Underneath the sink, hair dryer and an extra tissue paper or toilet tissue. Behind me is the closet. See, this is the first time I ever saw a closet in the bathroom. First time. So, ample hangers. You have a ironing board on the bottom, and I would say it could fit one large luggage from medium size to large. And you have a shelf space here. To my right, your standalone shower, which is a plus. Standalone shower. And you don't have to bring your shampoo, conditioner, nor body wash because it's here for you. You have your dispensers here. Rainfall style shower head. And a shelf to put your soap. And another one on the bottom. Clean. Okay, clean. Oh, I see a hair though. I see a hair right here. But who's counting? What's weird about this, there's no additional door. Okay, it's just this. Nothing sliding. That's a little bit, that's new. First. Okay, and it's quite small, but you know, are you gonna be sleeping in the bathroom? No. No. A hook where you can hang your towels. And that's that. Let's move on. Okay. Coming outside the bathroom, a full-size mirror. Peace. You have your vanity area here. Chair. Another mirror with lights. Peace. Tissue. and space here, table, your entertainment section, ice bucket. Ooh, this ice bucket is a little premium. This feels heavy. This seems like a acrylic leather. Okay, that's new. And 2 cups. All right. You have your safe here. Okay. Okay. Safe. Checking out. Please leave safe open and empty. Thank you. Decent size, man. Okay. Ample space. Shelving. Soft close. Your office area or your office table and chair. Leather. Lamp. USB port and a regular charging port. Nice, decent sized table. Your advertisement catalogs and brochures out there. And what is this? A chair and a table. It looks like a TV table. You know, one of these tables that you eat on while watching TV. A big lamp. One of the biggest lamp thus far that I've encountered. Blackout curtains. Blackout curtains. Do we have a view? Do we have a view? No. I could see Caesar's Palace, Cosmopolitan. Let me see if I could turn off the lights. There you go. Caesar's Palace, Cosmopolitan. Oh, and we have a view of the Ferris wheel on my left. It doesn't look like it's moving. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Your king size bed. Nice and soft. Feels like memory foam type mattress. You have your double lamp, double night stand. I like the backdrop. Wood, leather, bed frame, wood. I just like that whole style right there. It seems like leather. Oh no, it's not. It's fake. Got me. You got me. It's just painting. Okay. Let me see. Okay, it's soft, and yeah, it's pretty good. Digital thermostat. So right now in Vegas, it's a little cool, so I turned up the heat to 74 degrees. Yeah, that's it. What is this? I don't know what is that. Your little artwork, and that's it. Okay, all right. First and foremost, let me discuss about the check-in process. I would like to think that it's easy, and the wait time, it was decent due to the fact that I've used the self-serve kiosk machine. It's quite simple and easy. All you have to do is pull up the barcode of the reservation. So with this reservation, I've used Priceline, And once you book it, you will have a barcode or QR code. Is a barcode, and then you just scan it. Your information will pop up. Um, just whatever necessary things that you need to do, agree, press OK, and sign it on the kiosk machine, and it will pop up your key card, just like this. Your key card. Oh shoot, do I have it? Oh yeah, here it is. Your key card. Okay. You don't really have to deal with a person. Well, actually, technically, I did. She asked me if I could use the self-serve kiosk machine, and I said, yeah, sure, why not? And she took my driver's license, and then once she came back to me, I was able to use the self-serve kiosk machine, and it was easy. And once everything is done, a small paper will come out like this. I don't want to show y'all the information because it has personal info on it. Uh, this is like a receipt, and right now I'm in Mountain Tower. Um, yeah, Mountain Tower. I'm in room 520, 15, and it's on the 52nd floor. And yeah, that's that. Here I am, and I'm in Vegas, y'all. There's a lot of people for a Monday. There's a lot of people in Vegas right now. One thing about Vegas, from the airport to Harrah's, traffic. I mean, what time is it? So it's 9:30. Let's just say 9 o'clock uh, was the starting of my trip. 9 o'clock, and it was still traffic. So right now, today's date is October 30th, Monday, right? It's cold, man. It's cold. What is the weather? I'll tell you right now. Sheesh. The weather is 55 degrees, y'all. 55. So I don't have any sweater nor jacket. Um, I Googled something. Ross is actually open, even Walmart, for an option. So I'm gonna go head on to Ross or Walmart, depends on uh, whether I like the item or not. That's what I'm gonna hit up. So I could buy a sweater or a light jacket because it's pretty cold at this time around. So you know, the room is carpeted. No signs of wear and tear. It doesn't seem dated. It's clean. No mildew smell. Okay, no mildew smell. Um, the room is quite small though, but are you going to live in this room? I don't think so, but it's quite small. The closet in the bathroom, that was the first, to be honest with y'all. That was the first. Hey, you know, first time for everything. Um, Nothing. There's no bus shuttle though. You really have to use Uber or Lyft, you know. Um, no gripe, no gripe. So if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.